Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, this is Coach Jabi. Pwedeng paki-like, share, and subscribe naman kayo sa akin para malaman nyo yung buhay dito sa Dubai, buhay coach, traveling, morely daily life. Kaya, please like and subscribe. Sorry, may sakit ako. Coach Jabi Daily. Coach Job Daily. Yan, paki-like lang and share and subscribe bago tayo magsimula. So, paano ba naging coach si Coach Jabi dito sa Dubai? Paano maging coach sa Dubai? So, wala nang pasikot-sikot. Ito yung mga proseso para mangyari yun. Kaya kwento ko na rin kung paano. So, first, 2017, dumating ako dito. Kasi nung bata pa ako, gym na talaga ako. Tingnan niyo yung picture ko dito. 17 years old ako o 18 years old ako nito. O diba? Nagji-gym na ako agad. So I'm 36 years old na. So all of my life I've been working out. So nung dumating ako dito sa UAE, I was a bartender before in City of Dream Manila, Chaos. So nung pumunta ako dito, sabi ko parang mababa yung time na yun, yung bigayan ng bartender. Na-hire ako sa... Meron nag-hire sa akin, nakalimutan ko na eh. Chili's, yon Chili's. Ang bigay lang sa akin na is 2,300 dirham for a month. Tapos hindi pa alak yung titimpla mo, mocktail. That was 2017. So now, nung naghahanap ako ng work nun, so nag-try ako sa fitness first, maging coach. Kaso, hindi nila tinatanggap. Kailangan mong maging registered as a reps. May tinatawag na licensing. So, ang license dito, we call it reps. Okay? Registered exercise. Yun. Kineme. So, you need to have license. Okay? To be able to become a coach here in Dubai. So, paano nga pala kumuha ng license? First, you need to study. Mamili ka, search nyo sa Google kung anong school. Merong MiFit Pro, merong Active IQ. There is a lot. I choose MiFit Pro. So yun, nagbayad ako ng, that time was 8,000, maybe around 7 to 8,000, I forgot, for a course. Personal trainer, level 2 and 3. So, level 2 is like fitness fitness coach, like di pa personal trainer. There is a difference of fitness a coach and a personal trainer. Fitness trainer is yung mga sa gym, mga nag-a-assist lang. Personal trainer, the one who personalize the trainers. Level T is personal training. Nag-aaral ako, it takes 3 months. So there is 80 hours on my time. Baby, iba na ngayon. 80 hours of human anatomy and physiology, nutrition, and everything. You need to pass that one. And then, next, there is a practical. And then, merong 5 exams, okay? You need to pass that all. May practical, may gagawa ka ng test, gagawa ka ng program, ipapasa sa US, something like this, like parang thesis. And then, next is... written exam. Pag napas mo lahat yon, magkakaroon ka nito na diploma. After mo ng diploma, ire-register mo ngayon siya sa reps, which magbabayad ka uli. Para siyang, sanggunian, kumbaga sa Pilipinas. Para siyang, paano ko ba i-explain? Parang siya yung nagbibigay ng license sa'yo. So, yan, kung eligible yung license mo. Pero mostly naman ng mga school dito is under ng reps. So, it's automatic. Magbabayad ka lang ng certain amount. Tapos, this card is renewable. So, every year, you must have 16 CPD points para ma-renew mo yun. So, hindi lang basta siya ID. Ano siya? Kailangan mo siya, hindi lang siya basta i-renew mo lang siya ng ganun. Kailangan mo siya ng ng another course, like example, strength and conditioning, merong 10 points, so meron ka pang you need 6, o boxing pad certificate, you need to enroll to be able to renew that card. So yun, ganun lang po ang processing dito. Tanong, coach, paano mo nagawa yun? Paano ko nagawa yun? Nag-working student ako. So, naging receptionist ako sa isang gym. And then, while I'm doing that, I'm studying at the night. I'm studying my lectures, which is ganito kakapal yun. And then, of course, mag-aaral ka mabuti, nagbayad ka ng malaki, di ba? Now, nakarma ako, di ba? Nung nag-school ako, hindi ko natapos yung college ko eh. Paano pa naibulakbol? Paano hindi ko pa value yung pera nun? Pero nung tumanda ka, ayan na, nakarma ka. Nagbayad ako ng more than maybe 7,000 is equivalent to 100,000 pesos. Times 16 nyo. And then yun, you need to work, you need to study, you know? There is no choice. You need to pass that thing, otherwise, masasayang yung pera nyo. So, ganun po ang aking journey na maging coach dito sa Dubai. So magkaroon ka ng card, renewable siya. Bago mo ma-renew yan, you need 16 CPD points. Yung CPD points na yon is, you can enroll on that school also. There is a lot of branch of fitness. There is flexibility course, strength and conditioning course, powerlifting course, prenatal course. There's a lot. Injury, rehab, level 4, nutrition. You can choose whatever you want, of course. And magbabayad ka lang. It may course na 2 months, 1 month, every Friday, every Saturday. And then once you finish that course, mag-e-exam ka lang. And then, yun na. Pag nakuha mo na yung course, tapos check mo yung expiry date mo, isisend mo lang yun ulit sa reps, and then yung bayad na 500 dirhams kada taon. So, yan. Paano maging coach sa Dubai? Yan, nasagot ko na yung tanong nyo. Kung meron kayong katanungan, mag-comment lang kayo or i-DM nyo ako, i-guide ko kayo. Kung galing kayo sa Pilipinas na gusto maging coach dito, madali lang. Just enroll sa mga school na meron dito sa UAE, like yung personal training course. Maraming school dito. You can choose. But for me, I go to MiFit Pro. PTA Global or NASEM. Okay, meron din yan. So, kung meron ka namang course, kung PT ka na, i-check mo lang sa reps baka kung accredited ba nila yung school mo. Kung coach ka na. Pero kung bago ka pa lang, example, you want to change career, like some of my friend, they just love gym, tapos sales siya, then naging coach siya, parang nag-aral siya. Bago ka makapasa, marami kang butas na dadaanan. Merong what you call this one? Meron kang written, a lot of 4 or 5 exam. I forgot already. It's 2017. But more on human anatomy, programming, geographics, how to get client, how to assess client. It's all there sa course na binayaran natin. So yun, tapos na ako ngayon mag-gym at ginawa ko lang to para lang sa mga gustong maging coach. So, Friday today, magsasauna lang ako, and then bukas may client tayo, 3. So, 1 boxing, 1 12 o'clock, another boxing. So, yan guys, please like, share, and subscribe naman para lahat tayo happy. Tutuloy-tuloy ko tong vlog ko. So, next topic, tanong naman natin kung magkano kinikita ng coach dito sa Dubai. Okay? Marami tayong topic na pag-uusapan. So, every day, I will do 1 topic, vlog or daily vlog, what I do, travel, but morely coach, and food, ano yung kakainin natin. Okay? Medyo mahaba na tong vlog ko. Thank you sa panonood. Samahan nyo ako bukas, Sabado. Long day today. God bless.